Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, your host, Aiza Freelancing Wali, and I'm an everyone student at Rahan School. It's our Perth campus, so who is here my new AI session with Sarah sister. So let's start. Today my topic is what is 3D printing and how is it changing the world. So let's start. I will calling the Sarah sister. Please wait. Hello Sarah sister, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear. Can you hear me too?
Hear you. So my first question is from you. Please tell me what is 3D printing and how does it work? Please give me answer.
Oh, 3D printing is basically making a solid object from a digital design. It lays layers and layers of material down until the object is finished.
So my next question is from you. Please tell me why is 3D printing called additive manufacturing? Give me answer.
It's called, right. So it's called additive manufacturing because it builds objects by adding layers of material one on top of the other. Instead of cutting.
Question is from you. Please tell me like so why is 3D printing called additive manufacturing? Please give me answer.
3D printing is called additive manufacturing because it builds objects layer by layer, adding material instead of taking it away, like subtracting with more traditional methods. Does that make sense?
Sister, so my next question is from you. Please tell me what material are used in 3D printing. Please give me answer.
There are many materials used, like plastics, metals, resins, and even ceramics. The choice depends on the specific type of 3D printing and what you want to make. Do you have a particular material in mind?
Okay, Sarah sister, so my next question is from you. Please tell me how does a digital design turn into a real object? Please give me answer, Sarah sister.
So, first, you create a 3D model in the computer. Then, the 3D printer reads that model and builds the object layer by layer, adding material until it's complete. Does that make sense?
Hey, Sarah sister, so my next question is from you. Please tell me what are the main type of 3D printings? Please give me long.
There are several main types. Some common ones include fused filament fabrication, or FFF, which melts plastic filament. There's also stereolithography, or SLA, which hardens liquid resin with a laser. And then there's selective laser sintering, or SLS, which uses a laser to fuse powder particles. Each has different advantages for different kinds of projects.
Okay, so Sarah sister, my next question is from you. Please tell me how is 3D printing used in education?
3D printing is used in education in many ways. It helps students visualize complex concepts, letting them make models of things like human anatomy or historical artifacts. They can also design and test prototypes in science and engineering classes, which is a really hands on way to learn. It helps foster creativity and problem solving skills. It's a pretty amazing tool for teaching different subjects.
Okay, Sarah sister, so my next question is from you. Please tell me what role does 3D printing play
I'm not
in
sure I
healthcare?
understand the question. Could you please explain it in a different way?
Yes, my question is what role does 3D printing play in healthcare?
3D printing plays a big role in healthcare. It's used to create prosthetic limbs, custom medical devices, and even personalized implants. It also helps surgeons with preoperative planning by creating precise models of patient anatomy. It's been a real game changer for improving care.
So my next question is from you. Please tell me how are philosophical limbs made using 3D printing? Please give me answer.
3D printing makes prosthetic limbs more affordable and customizable. They start by scanning the residual limb, creating a digital model. Then, the prosthetic is designed with comfort in mind and printed in materials like plastic. This allows for a much more tailored fit and faster production compared to traditional methods.
Please answer. So my next question is from you. Please tell me can 3D printing help save lives? Please give me answer.
Yes, 3D printing can definitely help save lives. It can provide doctors with precise models for planning complex surgeries, which can improve outcomes. And in emergencies or remote areas, it can quickly produce needed medical supplies or prosthetics. So, yeah, it has the potential to save many lives.
Okay, Sarah sister. So my next question is from you. Please tell me how is 3D printing changing manufacturing industries?
3D printing is changing manufacturing in several ways. It allows for more customization, reduces material waste, and can simplify supply chains. Companies are using it to create prototypes faster, produce complex parts more efficiently, and offer more personalized products to customers.
So my next question is from you. Please tell me what are the advantages of 3D printing over traditional methods? Please give me answer.
Compared to traditional manufacturing, 3D printing allows for more design freedom and can be more cost effective for small runs. Traditional methods often require more upfront costs for tooling and molds, and they can be less flexible when it comes to making changes. Also, 3D printing can reduce waste because it only adds material where it's needed.
Okay, so Sarah sister, my next question is from you. Please tell me how does 3D printing reduce waste? Please give me answer.
3D printing reduces waste because it's an additive process, meaning it only adds material where it's needed to build the object, unlike subtractive methods that cut away from a larger block. This means less material is simply turned into scraps.
Sarah sister, so my next question is from you. That please tell me so can 3D printing be used at home? Please give me answer.
Yes, 3D printing can be used at home. There are many affordable printers available that let people create models, toys, and even household objects at home. It's a popular hobby for those who want to be creative or make custom parts.
Sarah sister, my next question is from you. Please tell me how is 3D printing helping small businesses? Sarah sister, so my next question is from you. Please tell me what impact does 3D printing have on creativity? Please give me answer.
3D printing greatly enhances creativity. It allows people to quickly turn their ideas into physical objects, making prototyping and experimenting easier. This freedom to test and refine designs really opens up new possibilities for personal and professional projects.
Hello, sister. So my next question is from you. Please tell me, how is 3D printing used in fashion design? Please give me answer. So, sister, please give me answer.
Oh, is there something else you'd like to know?
Yes, my question is what is some famous 3D printers printed products? Please give me answer.
Some famous 3D printed products
Is from you. Please tell me how is 3D printing used automatically in industries? Please give me answer.
3D printing is being used in a lot of ways. It can be used to quickly make prototypes, create custom parts, and even manufacture entire products. Is there a specific industry you're interested in?
Is answer to some my next question is from you. Please tell me can buildings be made using 3D printing? Please give me answer.
Yes, 3D printing is being used to construct buildings. It can significantly reduce construction time and cost. Large 3D printers are used to create building layers using materials like concrete. Do you want to know about any particular types of?
So, sorry, sister, my next question is from you. How does 3D printing help in space exploration? Please give me answer.
Hello, how can I help you today? To learn 3D printing, it's helpful to have a basic understanding of design and computer programs. Are you interested in a specific type of 3D printing or a particular program?
Sarah, sister, so my next question is from you that please tell me how long does it take to print an object in 3D? Please answer.
Master keys work by having notches that line up with all the tumblers in a lock, allowing it to open multiple locks with the same key.
Okay, Sarah, sister, so my next question is from you. Please tell me what software is used for 3D printing designs. Please give me answer.
For 3D printing designs, software like Tinkercad. The number of applications varies depending on the specific lock. Is there a particular type of lock you're thinking of?
Sarah, sister, so my next question is from you. Please tell me how accurate are 3D printed objectives. Please give me answer.
3D printing is used. Yes, you can definitely 3D print objects in different colors. Some printers can use multiple colors at once. Is there a specific color combination you're thinking of?
Okay, Sarah, sister, so my next question is from you. Please tell me can 3D printing be used for mass production? Please give me answer.
While 3D printing is great for prototyping and custom items, it's not generally used for mass production because it can be slower and more expensive than other methods like injection molding.
Ancestors of my next question is from you. Please tell me what are the limitations of 3D printing? Please give me answer.
Some alternatives to 3D printing for mass production include injection molding, which is common for plastic parts, and casting, which is often used for metal objects. Are either of those applicable to what you have in mind?
These are ancestors of my next question is from you. Please tell me how expensive is 3D printing technology? Please give me answer.
Oh, okay. What can I help you with? The cost of 3D printing can vary quite a bit depending on the type of printer you use and the materials. Are you thinking about buying a printer yourself or using a printing service?
Sorry, sister. So my next question is from you. Please tell me how is 3D printing used in art and design?
3D printing is used in art and design to create complex and unique sculptures, models, and other pieces. Are you interested in designing something specific?
Next question is from you. Please tell me can food be 3D printed? 3D printed?
Yes, jewelry can be 3D printed, often using materials like wax or resin that can later be cast in metal. This allows for very intricate designs.
Okay, Sarah sister. So my next question is from you. Please tell me how does 3D printing support innovation? Please give me answer.
3D printing supports innovation by making prototyping faster and easier. This lets designers test ideas more quickly and come up with new kinds of products. Would you like an example of how it's been used to innovate?
Sarah sister. So my next question is from you. That please tell me what environmental benefit does 3D printing offer? Please give me answer.
3D printing can have environmental benefits by reducing waste since it only uses the material needed for the part. It can also reduce transportation costs if parts are printed closer to where they're used. Are there any specific environmental concerns you have?
Okay, Sarah sister. So my next question is from you. Please tell me how safe is 3D printing for users? Please give me answer.
Hmm, that's an interesting question. Could you tell me a bit more about what kind of tools you're thinking of?
Next question is from you. Please tell me, can 3D printing be used in schools? Please give me answer.
Hello there. Yes, 3D printing can be very useful in schools. It can help students visualize concepts and create hands on models, especially in subjects like engineering and art. Is there a particular subject you're thinking about?
Hey, sir, my next question is from last question is from is telling me, how does 3D printing help engineers? Please give me answer. Notes are ending this session. So this is our Maya. I hope you like it. I will next video next day. That's Maya. Thank you so much for watching the office.